Hello guys, let's go. I'm back. So let's play again. Plus one speech. Okay, I'm gonna keep my username up. Send me friend request and please leave a subscribe. I beg you guys, please. Please, can you subscribe? Which speech should I do? Okay, let me think. Guys, I'm gonna pick a random one. Bro, it's happening, man. Let's train for some hand. Not in this world. Let's go to teleport to world. Last, let's try a new one, bro. I don't want that honey. Nah, bro, it's again honey. Fine, at least train for 5 minutes. Let's go, guys. Guys, can you please leave a subscribe to me? And I will pin my username up right here. There is I'm gonna tell you guys. Up there is an arrow mark, right? Up of the arrow mark there will be my username. Please send friend request and and comment your usernames in the comment, and I will pick a random person and they will get 500 robux. The giveaway is giving 700 robux. Lucky user, the golden subscriber will be commented pinned in the comment. The golden subscriber of the day will be pinned in the comment. And the giveaway is whoever uses this time get the most views. Second person will get 100 views. Let's keep on live. No. I'm keeping on live stream the giveaway. I will choose a person try to win. First prize gets 700, second prize gets 500, third prize gets 100. Second place gets last third place gets Nubini Seasoning. I'm checking, bro. My drum is blown. It's blown. Pah. Now let's choose random one. Christmas. Even subscribe.